Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find recently added friends on Facebook. The first thing you do is open up your Facebook, tap on your menu bar which has your profile picture on it at the top right corner over here. So once you tap on it, scroll down to settings and privacy, open it up, and then you tap on settings. Next you scroll down all the way down until you see activity log. Tap on activity log. Next tap on connections, tap on manage friends, and then tap on filter. Upon filter, choose category and then choose your friends, and you will see your friends. Now note that this list is arranged in chronological order, which means from your recent friends to the oldest friends. So this is my recent friend. It's as simple as that.